Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can unlock Whispers for free in the Sonic Simulator. So I made this video is for beginner. So here we go. In order to get this guy, Whisper Super Prize, Whisper with Rescue. So event ends in 12 days, so you have to collect a blue wisp here, 1200 wisps in order to claim the Whisper. Find and break wisp capsules to free the wisps. Take them to the drop off to earn point. So this is for example. So this is the wisp or the capsule. So you have to jump in order to free. Now the wisp free, and you have to drop in this drop off location. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.